Hello everyone! This video is part of the Ideas for Regions series. Today I'd like to share one of my ideas about using gravity-powered energy. Montenegro is full steep slopes and winding roads that lead to hard-to-reach places. Sometimes it takes quite a bit of time and a lot of fuel to get from the sea coast up to elevations of around 1000 meters. So here is the idea. What if we used a simple balanced cableway? Something like a funicular railway. Imagine two monorail tracks. Each track has a cabin, and the two cabins are connected by a strong steel cable that runs over a large wheel at the top. One cabin starts at the top, the other at the bottom. When both cabins are empty, the system is balanced, nothing moves. But if we add weight to the upper cabin, either with passengers or even just water from a nearby mountain stream or a reservoir, it becomes heavier and the system starts moving by itself. To avoid dangerous acceleration, we can connect the wheel at the top to an electric generator. As it produces electricity, it resists the motion, slowing the descent and keeping the speed under control. So we get clean transportation and electricity generation, all powered by gravity. Advantages of this system: no external fuel or power, it runs on gravity. Can use mountain water as a ballast, no passengers required. Generates electricity while transporting people or goods. Quiet and low maintenance, no engines in the cabins. Safe by design, it doesn't move unless there is a weight imbalance. Can help reduce traffic and emissions in tourist area. Can become a tourist attraction on its own. Useful for residents of remote mountains villages. Can deliver fresh mountain water to lower stations. Limitations and challenges. Needs a significant elevation differences. Initial construction can be expensive. Requires coordination between trips. Someone or something must go down to lift something up. Terrain stability and weather can affect the system. It's a fixed road, only point to point. Water availability must be consistent if used as ballast. Still, I believe this idea opens up interesting possibilities. We could even create a simple coordination app where people schedule rides, or add live video stream between top and bottom stations so users can invite each other in real life. We can also use fun slogans like "Run up the hill to lift an elderly lady and enjoy the ride down. Slide down to lift up kids and get a free treat in our cafe." Since the system is balanced, even using a simple drive like bicycle pedals would be enough to move both cabins. It could be a lot of fun to pedal in both cabins and talk to each other as you move in opposite directions. Depending on the resources, this could be implemented at different levels. As a government project, a municipal initiative, or even a private solution on steep properties. Of course, this is still just a concept. It would need solid engineering and economic studies. But these types of systems already exist and have been running in Europe for over 100 years. The Bica Funicular in Lisbon is a favorite among tourists, and it works simply by the weight differences between the cabins. The Lynton and Lynmouth Cliff Railway in the UK uses water ballast to move. No engines at all. And there are many more. Most of them are considered historical sites today. But almost all still operate the same way they did decades ago. A gravity-based transport system, where cabins move using the difference in passenger weight, cannot replace conventional transportation, but it can occupy a unique niche under the right conditions. In steep terrains with limited road access, like in Herceg Novi, Montenegro, in short distance roads connecting different elevation levels within a town, in environmentally sensitive or protected areas where construction is limited, as a low energy, low maintenance solution for tourist attractions or historical sites. Such a system offers extremely low operational costs, no need for fuel or motors, and can be built with minimal ecological impact. While it cannot compete with buses or cars in terms of speed or capacity, It can complete urban mobility in hilly or coastal regions, especially if combined with digital systems for ride coordination. In the best scenario, it becomes not just a transport tool, but also a symbol of local sustainability and innovation. Now just imagine a system like this in Kotor, Lisbon, Herceg Novi, or anywhere else along the Montenegrin coast. What do you think? Would you ride a gravity-powered cable car like this? Can you picture something like this in your region? I just want to remind you that I'm still learning to speak English and I apologize for my grammar mistakes and bad pronunciation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.